I gonna do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Big up. I don't know what's the new link there now. Yeah, sometimes some people that's what they see and say, when I want good, they know it's have to run, right? Well, people, this thing I'm going to talk about now, people. I don't know if me put it in this context, say when I want good, they know it's have to run. Because right now, honestly, for this female right now, I think she must stop her nose from run right now with this story. Well, people, this is about a female, right now, nice female, who is currently living in Antigua for the past 4 years. But now this female, people, is facing some big things, you know what I mean? Some big something in her life right now, which she feel, wow, depressed as she was here as people, and but boy, does some things kind of hold her back right now. Well, for this female, my viewers and my subscribers, right? This female right now, she said she met this man like 3 years ago in Antigua, so he's an Antiguan, right? She said at first things was good with him, but after that, people, oh my world. She said the man start beat her. She said when she leave work, the man all lock her out. She have to wait how much time on them, something the people. She said this man stalk her, this man treat her bad. She said she have her furniture, them people, and the man even put them out in the rain. She said every time the man cuss her, said go suck your mother, this and that, some beat. She said the man deal with her and weird people which she feel so hurt, so bad. Because she said in the end, and that's what she said, not what I said, because I never been to Antigua. Because I don't know of this, but what according to what she said Antiguan man them not like Jamaican. You understand? But I don't know why she be with him then. You get me? But that's what she said, them not like Jamaican and this and that. Well, people, in the end, this female say she managed to move away, go back to Jamaica. But when she go back over there, people, she was living good. But the man come back in and she end up taking back. She said every time the same thing happen. She said what happened now, people, and where she really get worried now and posted about everything now is one night when she comes a boom, like she hears say the man a go at a club there and something people and thing, you know, hide and go a club while him with her in a relationship. So she said when she comes a boom, the man go over the club people and like he make a local link and she make a local link and thing, and somebody said to her, you know, check around there. When she go around the people, oh my girl, then she said, and the man she sit down there with the head in it, eat it out. You understand? With the big old go-go, you know. The go-go 2 foot up so, and the man head there between it. She said in the end she was so frightened she couldn't believe. You understand, people? And in the end, the man talk and this and that, and she still there back with him. She said after that again, people, she catch him again with another one. This time him and near it out and a sack it out. Just the mouth, because she said this man love to use his mouth. He just love to eat. Him not really like stroke, but him love to eat. So in the end, she still asleep with him. She still alone with him, people. She still unprotected with him. And now she are worried about her life, because with this that him a do a corona and do them and something to the back and girl them at the club and something. She don't know how danger her life could be in her, what could happen to her, what can happen to her. People, now she say what keep on holding her back and being with this man and not leaving this man just because of the money, the dinero, the money, the dinero, the evil one, the money. Because she say this man give her this bag of money, but she have a plan that she want to accomplish, and that's why she keep on taking the money, and it keep on hold her with this man. So she confused. People, I spoke and sent her a message, and in the end I tell her, I say, listen, I understand you have a plan, see, but your life is way more important than your plan. Because if you continue with a man like this, beat you, go around and sleep with them bag and I say something there, and I push mouth under them something there, right? And I do them something there, you still have unprotected with him. Come on, man. You're putting your own life in danger, in a high risk. I tell her that, people, can no new link go. In the end, people, as I tell her, this girl is a very beautiful female. You understand? I said, listen, that's not the end of the road. He was not the one who brought you over there. You know what I mean? He's not the one who employ you. So what you need to do is take yourself away. If you know say something hold back on the money, you see a hold back, make the money go on because you're working. You understand? But you can't be in situation like this. So in the end, viewers and subscribers, I just wish her the best and hope that she will do listen and she will do find herself to break away from this. So you know what I want you to do? Leave in the comment section, people, and give her the best advice of me. You understand? So if she don't listen to me, she will listen to Uno. So please, my viewers and subscribers, leave it there. You don't know this is New Link from New Link Production. And I mean say, attack, attack. Peace out. Remember, subscribe. The New Link shirt, them a come, them bad. You saw some New Link in them different type, you know. You only need to get the New Link shirt, them. You rock New Link, only need to wear them. You understand?